Good morning, second grade. It is Monday, March 30th, and I'm going to go over the test with you, okay? I decided to email you a test because I'm not sure when we'll be back at school, but I thought you could go ahead and work on this and submit it to me. All right, so here goes. Here is the Topic 14 test. Please put your name and your date on it, okay? And one of the biggest things for you guys is to make sure that you are labeling and taking your time when you're stacking and solving and lining up neatly. So this one says add to find the total amount. So over here, I am going to stack label, and then go ahead and don't forget to carry and solve, and then circle your answer, okay? Number 2, you're going to do the same thing. Number 3, Carlos buys a toy car for 38 cents. Jessica buys a toy car for 46 cents. How much money did they spend in all? Well, are there any clue words? Yep, you're right. In all. And do you remember what in all tells us to do? Okay, so you're going to need to take 48 cents, 38 cents, stack, and solve. Okay, make sure to show your work neatly. The next page, it says, which 2 items can you buy with 79 cents? So you have 79 cents to spend. Okay, you can do it several ways, but you have to look at what 2 numbers are going to equal that 79 cents. So if you wanted to, you could look at the ones and find out which two items would, in the one spot, equal 9 when you added them together. Okay, and then of course, check it out. Stack and solve and make sure before you choose over here. Okay, and number 5, of course, this one says difference. And when it says difference, we're going to be doing what? Yep, we're going to be subtracting. So you have to put the larger number on top. Don't forget to label. I saw a lot of you not labeling on your papers that you were completing, so please make sure you label them on the test. All right, so again, you start with the ones and you have to ask yourself, more on the top? No. More on the floor, so go next door and get 10 more. So go ahead and go through that process and make sure that you're asking yourselves the right questions and solving. Number 6, a theater has 34 seats downstairs and 22 seats upstairs. Estimate the total number of seats. Okay, we want to estimate again. So we have 34. And what would 34 be closest to? Either 30 or 40. Okay, you're right if you said 30. And then think about what 22 is closest to. Okay, 20. And then it says in all, right? So estimate the total number. So you're going to have to add and go ahead and figure out the answer here. Okay, the next page. Again, it says difference. The larger number goes on top. Don't forget to label. Remember, ask yourself, more at the top then no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Okay? Mateo has 30 cars in his collection. If he gives 12 of the cars away, how many cars will he have left? What are the clue words, second graders? Yup, away, gave away, or left. Okay, so stack and solve 30 and 12. Okay, subtract to find the difference. So you're going to be subtracting because it says difference. Same thing here. Put that larger number on top. Don't forget to label. And then remember in the ones, again, more on the top, no need to stop. So no borrowing there. Okay, do the same thing for here. You're going to do difference. You're going to be subtracting. Okay, on this one, Greg has 58 cents. He spends, there's that clue word, 25 cents. How much money does he have left? There's another clue word. All right, stack and solve. Don't forget to label. Karina has 80 stamps in her collection. She gives 14 of the stamps away. Estimate how many stamps she has left. All right, well, let's take a look at 80. There's no need to do any estimation. We know that there's 80. She gives 14 of the stamps away. So what would 14 be closest to? 10 or 20? Okay. Number 13, Zachary has 60 cents. If he spends 22 cents, which estimate shows how much money he will have? So we're going to start out with 60 cents. It says spends, and left. Okay, so what operation is that? If they spend it, so we start with 60 cents, and you have to estimate. So what is 22 closest to? 20 or 30, and then you go ahead and solve. Okay. Anita has 59 cents. She gives away 32 cents. Don't forget to label. We have the word gives away and left. What operation is it? Number 15, subtract to find the difference. They tell you difference, so you're subtracting. Don't forget, show your work. Okay, then choose the right answer. Number 16, Michael has 31 cents. His dad gives him 19 cents. So how much money does Michael have now? Well, if his dad gives him 19 cents, imagine if you had 31 cents and your dad gives you 19 cents. What operation are you going to do? Okay, show your work. Don't forget to label. This one tells you it's subtracting. And then this one says, check your answer by adding. So 10 cents minus 7 cents. And then over here, you're going to add. Okay, remember what we add to check? So you're going to make sure that you add also to check to make sure your answer is right. So this answer, you're going to look over here to see which one you would choose for the subtracting. But then you're supposed to add to check your answer to make sure it's right. Okay. Use the table below to solve the problem. We have animal stickers, elephant, lion, tiger, zebra. And they cost, the elephant's 33 cents, the lion is 18 cents, the tiger is 25 cents, and the zebra is 21 cents. Nina paid 51 cents for 2 stickers, so you're going to want to figure out what 2 stickers we could add together to get 51. All right, so use your paper to figure that out, or you could just add the ones, like 5 and 1, that's 6, and can't be those 2. 8 and 5, so the lion and the tiger, 8 and 5 is 13, that would be a 3 there, can't be those 2. All right, so go ahead and figure that out. And this one, it says, use the table below to solve the question. Bobby paid 46 cents for 2 stickers. Which ones did he buy? Okay, you can do the same thing. Look at 33 and 18. If I add those together, the 8 and the 3, that would be 11. That would be a 1 in the ones column, so that's not right. It's not those 2. So go ahead and use this paper over here. There's lots of room to add the 2 stickers or different animal stickers together to figure out which one it might be. Okay? So you could take elephant and lion, and you could go over here and go 33 and 18. It's not that. It's not A. And go and try the other options, all right? It says add to find the total amount. So you're going to add these, so I want to see you adding over here. And, of course, labeling. All right, boys and girls, I hope this was helpful. Good luck. Take your time and do a really good job. I know you all can get an A on it, as long as you take your time and make sure to label. All right, bye.